If you want to change language on your Samsung Galaxy Watch 9, then you can change the language on the phone that is paired with your Galaxy Watch 9, because the language that we have on our watch is synchronized with the language of our phone. So of course you will need to go to settings on your smartphone, then search for language settings. So in my case, you have to go to general management, and then here we have the language. And in here, if I try to use another language and set it as the default one, then it should be updated on my smartwatch as well. You might need to wait a couple of seconds before it is also updated on your smartwatch. There we go, I think now it got updated. And yeah, there we go. So some of these apps are already in the new language. And if I go, for example, to settings, if I find settings now, then there we go. Then we should be able to see all of these different options in the selected language. So this is, of course, the first option, the first method. And the second method that allows you to change the language. Let's actually take a look at settings. Yeah, there we go. It is definitely now in different language. Let me switch back to English now. All right, so if you want to change the language, the second method that allows you to do so without the phone, that is by simply resetting your Galaxy Watch 9. So you will have to factory reset your Samsung Galaxy Watch 9 to be able to change the language, which is very unfortunate because you will get rid of everything that you have on your smartwatch. But this seems to be the only method that actually allows you to change the language on the watch. So if you decide to do that, you will have to go to settings on your smartwatch, then go to general, and then here in the general, you can find the reset option, which of course allows you to reset your watch and erase everything. And then during the initial configuration, during the setup, you should be able to choose the language. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.